Rotor Source also provides useful software applications available for download. At our website, rotorsource.com, go to the Download section. After downloading either the energy recovery or desiccant dehumidification software, click on the installed program. This will bring you to the splash screen. Select Continue. The energy recovery program features a rough schematic of the wheel and works using parameters for outdoor air, the air which will be supplied to the space, the air which is returned from the space, and the air which will be exhausted as spent exhaust. The program also includes a model selection, which is considered against our drawings, price, schedule, and other aspects. As an example, let's say you want to process 6,000 CFM of outdoor air. Using the moisture calculator, you can input a wet bulb, a dry bulb, and then calculate the humidity ratio. You can then use the Paste button and paste the outdoor air condition here. Similarly, you can work with the return air. Using a summertime example of 75 degrees and a 65 wet bulb, you can calculate the humidity ratio and paste for the return air. In this case, the model selected was a TA54. As you look at the recovery efficiency and the velocity, you can see that this is not a good selection. Increasing the model size by simply clicking on the next size model increases the recovery efficiency and reduces the pressure loss through the wheel. Additionally, other variables can be input and calculated using this application to help determine the proper selection and use of this product, including rotor speed, deck-to-deck pressure, elevation, and purge. This file can be printed to an Adobe Acrobat PDF, which makes it very easy to send to others as an email attachment. The printout also has a small section of specifications as well as our address. The desiccant dehumidification software is set up similarly. Air to be dried, dry supply air, air that is used to reactivate the wheel, and reactivation exhaust air. This particular product requires the use of a heater. It also includes a moisture calculator which functions similarly. In this case, if you were to treat the same 6,000 CFM of air at the same outdoor conditions of 95 degrees at 78 wet bulb, you would be able to get a unit selection similar to the other program. You can also change the air used for reactivation to make sure that you adequately represent the amount of moisture which is used. Once you've made a selection, you can also choose to use a high value of heat, which raises the heat and temperature, reduces the moisture, or you can choose to use a low value of heat, in this case 248 degrees, which gives a lesser dehumidification. You can also look at the next larger size wheel, as with the energy recovery program, to then look at the different effects. In the event that a user is using a direct-fired natural gas furnace, use of the indirect button will add the moisture created by combustion such that it is represented in the exhaust air. Again, this program selects different models which are then used with our drawings and our data sheets to give the best representation of submittal for selection, and both programs include an elevation input for different heights of elevation. Our website also includes a download for a very detailed energy recovery technical manual. It covers the installation, operation, and maintenance of the product, including information on a segmented system, a drive belt, maintenance procedures, such as removing a wheel if necessary, adjustment of the outer band, installation and removal of segments and bearings, checking on the performance of the system, troubleshooting, parts, motor consumption, and engineering drawings that are suitable for use in submittals. There is also a high-pressure supplement which covers operation of the system using dual rows of seal, startup procedure, a material safety data sheet, and our warranty. Similarly, for dehumidification, we have another manual covering the same aspects. It covers as well the installation, operation, and maintenance of the dehumidification product. Both manuals are set up to be user-friendly, and again, this manual ends with a material safety data sheet and warranty. Finally, there is the evaporative cooling product. A downloadable brochure details the operation of the product advantages, and disadvantages, and examples of various applications.